Hey everyone, Michael here. Today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, FTM, and SHIB all having pretty decent days or decent weeks at least. So let's start off with Bitcoin here. All in all, everything's actually looking pretty good. You see on the day chart, we've had a nice little bit of a boost. Whether you guys have bought at support on the first breakout or on the second breakout, you guys have all made decent profits right now. Right now, you could look to start to scale out of some of those positions if you want to kind of lock in some of those profits. Otherwise, what you guys are going to be doing is this, holding on that this Bitcoin holds on to the trend line. So Bitcoin may come all the way down to maybe $52,000 over the next few days and then try to make a move breaking out of this new resistance level, which is currently 55,750. That's what we're looking for in the short term. Right here, if you look at the hourly chart, it doesn't actually look that bad compared to the 4-hour chart. Right? This is gradually going down, no huge drop-offs, nothing scary. So bide your time, see how low you can get your prices in here. You can be loading up on altcoins or Bitcoin on leverage, whatever you guys prefer, right? And then from there, whenever it hits maybe the 50 moving average on the hour chart, or probably a little bit lower, closer to maybe 52,000 and a half, that's when you could be starting to load up on some of these positions, and you guys could make some good money if the trend line holds. If the trend line breaks, you guys know sell, buy back later, be happy with not taking too big of a loss and not becoming a bag holder. But for now, it's just cooling off before it makes another run at this 55,750 level. That's awesome. And then if we are able to break that level, then we're pretty much cleared for an attempt at 59,500. This one may be a little bit more challenging. You can see right here, this is one of the shoulders from the last Head and Shoulders over here. Everything right now looks primed for a big explosion over the next few weeks. So I'm going to continue to watch this type of stuff. I think it's working out pretty well so far. Just watch this trend line here, guys. If the trend line fails, then you want to get out of your positions and just kind of wait and hold to protect yourself from any losses. Now, moving over to FTM, this thing has all of a sudden exploded over the past few hours. This is what it looks like on the day chart. Look at this. It's pretty darn close to breaking out above its resistance level. In fact, it actually did have a small pop, but it has not led to anything as of yet. It looks like it just happened a few minutes ago. Yeah, this is the 4-hour chart. Here, let me take you to the 5-hour chart. There we go. This is what we're looking at. First attempt failed, wasn't able to hold over it. It looks like you may have another attempt here, maybe about a half an hour or so. So FTM is something, if you guys watch this, feel free to hop on and wait for this resistance to get broken through. You were looking just fine, guys. And last but not least is SHIB. So SHIB has run up a lot over the past few days. This is a 5-minute chart, so looking pretty good. I'm gonna put a horizontal line up here towards the peak, right? Still coming down a little bit, but I would wait for this to actually break out of this trend line right here before opening a position on it, just to be safe, because this thing could still fall down a little bit more, right? This had a huge little bear trap right here, so, or it seemed to be bull trap right here actually, so be aware of this, guys. Right now, bears are in control. That does not mean SHIB can't have another multi-day run, especially if Bitcoin breaks out of here in the next couple days, right? But be patient with this. You're going to have an opportunity to buy more SHIB sometime later on today or possibly early morning tomorrow. So just wait it out. Be patient. We've had a double top here confirmed. That's a little bit extra resistance. That is going to hurt your chances of getting another breakout, but that doesn't mean it's not possible. So I would recommend waiting right now before opening a larger position on SHIB at the moment. Alright everybody, have a great rest of your day, and please consider subscribing and liking the channel. Thanks everybody.